Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 284 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the myths, and we put them here for you. We're currently coming live from the jungle, which is the secret passageway on the Carnival Spirit. So in today's episode, we're talking about, can we mount a camera underwater on the hull of the ship so we can watch? Can I put my cans of pop soda in my checked luggage? I just got off a ship and I didn't get my sail and sign printout. What happened? Do they drain the pool every night and then refill it at night or in the morning? And I can't bring coffee creamer on board, but I can bring ranch dressing? Huh?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if it would be possible to mount a camera on the hull of the ship so they can get an underwater view. They said they would watch it all day long. John said he has not heard this suggestion for a long time and not sure if it's operationally possible, but he will definitely include it in his report and agrees it would be fabulous. I think that would be amazing. They used to be able to access the deck cams on the Shipmate app, and I think on Carnival too, but definitely on the app, they no longer do that either. So I don't know if that's going to be a possibility, but that'd be really cool. Imagine just like sailing along, like we're in Alaska right now, and you see a whale cruise by the ship. That'd be cool. Cool as hell. Do it, John. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if they can put cans of pop soda in their checked luggage. John said, yes, you can, but probably don't. Because can you imagine if one of those popped? If your pop popped? If your pop popped, it would definitely ruin all of your laundry and everything in there. He and everybody else strongly recommends, if you're going to bring on your own soda, just carry it on board or put it in your carry-on luggage. So if you like soda, you want to bring it on board, don't put it in your checked luggage. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser had just got off the Carnival Legend. Sorry, a seaplane just flew by. That was cool. It wanted to know if they stopped putting the sail and sign account printouts in the mailbox on the last night, as they've never received one. John said, yes, that is correct. They now have this available online in the cruise manager 48 hours after the cruise. So I think it's spectacular. So you would see small novels sitting in everybody's mailbox, and does anybody actually even look at them? But I think there's either a link. If there is a link, we'll put it in the description, but it is under your cruise manager in the app and on the website too. Yeah. Question four. This cruiser was curious if they drain the pool every night and refill it at night or in the morning. John said, if the ship is 12 miles outside of port, then yes, they do exactly that. He didn't answer if they fill it at night or in the morning, but I can tell you we've been up pretty early and it's already full. So I think they do it overnight. But yeah, just get all the yick out of there and then whoop, put some fresh water back in there. All right, last question. This cruiser wants to know why they cannot bring coffee creamer on ship, but they can bring ranch dressing. John said, thanks for asking. Please note you can bring coffee creamer. It just can't come in the bottles. It needs to be the individual single serve peel pour ones. You can definitely bring those or cartons or whatever they're called. But you can definitely bring your own creamer. You can also bring the powdered creamer if you want. Just most of the creamers come in 12 ounce, 14, 20 ounce bottles. And a lot of them have to be refrigerated as well. So the little packs, they don't have to. So that's been episode 284 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.